Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all and enjoy the class on form of bank reconciliation statement. Now question, what are the items included to prepare the adjusted cash balance of bank statement and company statement? Generally, three items are included for preparing adjusted cash balance of bank statement. Number one, deposit in transit, check outstanding or check issued, banker's error. On the other hand, four items are included for preparing adjusted cash balance of company statement. Number one, service charge, interest income or revenue, NSF check, and last on company's error. These are the items are used for preparing adjusted cash balance of bank statement and company statement. This is the form of bank reconciliation statement. The form, three columns. First column name is details. Second column name is taka. Third column name is taka. And top on the form, name of the company. Here company XYZ. Then bank reconciliation statement. And when we have to prepare this statement, 1 December 31st 2020. First, we have to write the balance as per bank statement December 31st 2020, and this is the given balance of the bank statement. Then added deposit in transit, any type of deposit in transit check added, and deduct or less outstanding check. And third number, banker's error, third items. This item will be added, also less, depend on the activities of the banker's error. These are the three items added or less with the balance as per bank statement, and find out the adjusted balance as per bank December 31st 2020, and this is the correct balance or adjusted balance of bank statement. And another part is company, adjusted company statement. This is the same for first column name is details, taka and taka, and top of the form, name of the company, bank reconciliation statement, 1 December 31st 2020. When we have to prepare adjusted cash balance of the company statement or company books, we have to include four items. One is interest receipt or income added with the balance of company books, and less the another two items, bank service charge or any other charges, and less also NSF check. And another item, company errors or error of the companies. This item will be added, also less, depend upon the transaction categories. These are the four types of items includes bank reconciliation statement for preparing the adjusted balance as per company December 31st, 2020. সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।